Okay, so this is a section on weighted means. And basically, the idea here is instead of giving every single data point the same um, amount of importance, some are considered more important than others, and then we calculate and mean based on that level of importance. One of the places that you actually use this in is when you calculate your GPA. Okay, so let's create a transcript that could be a college student's transcript. So let's say they have an English 101 course. They got an A in that course, and it is a 3-credit course. And they have a Calculus 1 course, and they got a C in that course, and it's a 4-credit course. They have Spanish 1, and they got a B in that course, and that's a 4-credit course. A Philosophy 101 course, they got a B in that course, and it's a 3-credit course. And an Art History 101 course, they got an A in that course, and it's a 3-credit course. Okay, so that's the first semester for their year. And let's see, in the second semester, they went on and took English 102. So now they're taking like Brit Lit. They got an A in that course, and it's a 3-credit course. They took the second semester of Calculus and got a B this time around for a 4-credit course. They took the second semester of Spanish. So Spanish 2, they got a B this time around again for a 4-credit course. They took a course in acting, so maybe a communications credit. Got an A in that course for a 3-credit course. And finally took History 101, like History of Western Civilization, and got an A for that course. So we want to know, it's a 3-credit course, we want to know what would their GPA be after their first year of college here. So the first thing that we do is we have to change all the letter grades to numbers. So when they're an A, we're going to give them 4 points. When they're a B, we're giving them 3, and when they're a C, we're giving them 2. So A's get 4, B's get 3, C's get 2, D's would get 1 point, and an E or an F gets them nothing because they didn't pass. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come up with a weighted score for each class. So English 101, you got a 12 because that's 3 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8 for Calc 1. For Spanish, you got 12. That's 3 times 4. 3 times 3 for Philosophy is 9. 3 times 4 for Art History is 12. 3 times 4 is another 12. 3 times 4 is another 12. 3 times 4 is another 12. 4 times 3 is a 12. And 4 times 3 is also a 12. Okay, so lots of weighted points here, right? So we have 2 columns that we have to add up. We have to add the weights, and then we have to add the weighted values, right? So, or the weighted grades. If I add up all the weights, let's see, that's 3 and 4 is 7 and 4 is 11 and 3 is 14 and 3 is 17, 20, 24, 28, 31, 32 credits. Is that what we took? Let's double check that. Let's see, that's 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 and 3 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 24, 28, 31, 34. Sorry, that's 34 credits that they took. All right, so let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 12. Right, 8 times 12 is 96. And 9, so that's going to be 105. And 8 gives me 113 weighted points. Right, so my weighted grades are 113 total. The number of weights is 34. So my GPA is going to be that 113.0 over 34.00, okay, which works out to be 3.32. Remember, we round one more value than we have, so most of this has one decimal point in value, so we can round to 2. Gives me a 3.32 GPA. So there is an example there of doing a weighted mean to get your GPA. So each of the grades is not averaged, but they're averaged according to how many credits they're taken. So a 4 credit hour course is weighted higher than a 3 credit hour course. And then we end up with a single number GPA that tells you how you're standing in the course. All right, so there we go.